Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add overlay on Streamlabs. So first step, you simply need to search in Google, that is Streamlabs desktop. So search your Streamlabs desktop and you need to download that from the first website. You need to open the first website and you can simply download Streamlabs from that website. So once you are on that website, you can see different options to download this. So here you can see download Streamlabs for desktop. You simply need to click here or click here to download. So once you complete that download, you simply need to open Streamlabs. So once you open here, you can see different options. So here you can see option of sources. Click on that and here you can see you can add media file, image. So I want to add image, so I'm going to select this one. Click on add source. So here you need to name the source. I'm going to name FBG for example. Click on add source, click on browse. So I already download an image, so I will add this. Click on done, and if you want to make it to the full screen, you simply need to select that and make it bigger from here by clicking like this. So this is the process that you need to follow. So this is the complete process how you can add overlay on Streamlabs. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.